Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by selecting the image and the link target. This is where you must be decisive. Open Media Library or upload and click Edit to confirm size and alt text. Once done, copy the URL or anchor ID of the destination so you don't interrupt flow later. Make sure to pick the right file type and size for performance. Now move into the editor with both resources available so you can attach the link immediately and avoid rework. You'll insert the link by selecting the image block, then using the link icon to paste the URL or type an anchor like #section ID. If you need a new tab, toggle the option or add target equals blank and rel equals newpiner for security. For the classic editor, switch to text view to wrap the href around the img if needed. Once applied, test by previewing the page. Inspect HTML if the link doesn't appear or points incorrectly. You finish by previewing and clicking the image on desktop and mobile to confirm behavior. If the image isn't clickable, inspect for overlaying elements, disabled pointer events, or z-index conflicts in theme CSS. Temporarily disable plugins to isolate the issue. Make sure the tag surrounds the img in HTML and that JavaScript isn't intercepting clicks. If problems persist, clear caches and recheck the permalink. One reliable troubleshooting tip. Use the browser inspector to reveal blocked clicks and fix the CSS rule.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.